That's a huge thing to say, dear baby.
No, I don't mean to be rude. But still it's very insulting.
Oh, you are so innocent, my boy. But there must be something that you like in her.
She's pretty. I like her.
That's all for today. Come after 6 days.
Yes,
Next week, when I will come, I won't let you pick.
We will see. Ha!
Break his heart. Break his heart, my pride and hope. Break his heart. And have no mercy. Break his heart. Have no mercy.
Yes, Miss Hakshin. I will break his heart.